First open your browser and search FIGMA download. Next, click on first link, FIGMA download, web design for desktop and mobile. Here, you can see we can download on different operating system and device, like desktop app, mobile app and font installer. So, I download for desktop Windows operating system, because at this time I use Windows operating system. Click on desktop for Windows. So, here you can see our downloading start. Now, our download is completed, so I click on it. Our FIGMA app opens successfully. If you have an account of FIGMA, then click on Login with browser. So I don't have any account, so I create new one. For this I click on Create. Here, you can continue with Google account, but I create a proper account with my email. Next, I click on Create Account. Next, verify your email account. Next, fill this form according to your requirement. Complete this some step, or you can skip this. Here, you can choose professional plan or start with free. Next, select design with FIGMA, but you can also select whiteboard. So you can see our FIGMA app successfully run. If this video is helpful for you, subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share it with friends. Thank you for watching.